Stop relying on luck and start controlling your teammates with these simple run commands in FC24. First up, the classic L1 or LB tap L1 or pound and the nearest player to the ball carrier will make a forward run. It's simple, effective, and your bread and butter for creating space. The key is to time your pass perfectly after triggering the run. Don't just blindly launch the ball. Observe the defender's position and pick the optimal moment. Now, for more control, use R1 or RB to trigger a controlled run. Press and hold R1 or RB and flick the right stick in the direction of the player you want to trigger a run from. This is perfect for pinpointing specific players and directing their runs. Think of it like a personal assistant for your attackers. Want to take it to the next level? Dive into your controller settings and enable player lock. This allows you to switch to the running player completely, opening up even more creative possibilities. Now you know the secrets to manipulating player runs. Implement these techniques into your game and watch your attack become truly unstoppable. Subscribe for more FC24 tips and tricks.